Hello everyone, I am Kunal Panigrahi, a lead technical support analyst at BMC Software. In this video, I will show you how to perform manual upgrades to BMC Release Process Management or BRPM. In a BRPM installation, we have the below components: BRPM application binaries, which gets laid out in the BRPM install home directory, and BRPM database and its schema, which is in the database server. An upgrade to a new version includes upgrading both of these components. The installer takes care of upgrading these. So what is a manual upgrade? Manual upgrade is when you need to upgrade BRPM application binaries and or the database schema without using an installer. When is a manual upgrade needed? Some use cases of manual upgrade would include hotfixes. We provide hotfixes to address customer issues, and it might need a BRPM application binaries and or the database schema upgrade. Secondly, data restores from older backups, etc. Now let me demo the upgrade process here with a hotfix install. I will upgrade my BRPM version 5.0 Service Pack 2 to BRPM 5.0 Service Pack 2 hotfix 4. In my setup, I have BRPM 5.0 SP2 up and running right now. Let me show you the BRPM UI and also the releases folder in the BRPM install home. The first step for an upgrade process is to stop the BRPM service. It is highly recommended to take a backup of the database so that we can revert back in case something goes wrong. Depending on the type of database, the instructions for the backup will be different. Since this is my lab environment, I will skip that process. I have already downloaded the hotfix zip file and now I will extract it to the server. To get the application binaries upgraded, we have to create a folder under the BRPM install home releases with a hotfix version. I will create a folder called RPM under the hotfix version. Then I will extract the war file contents to the newly created folder. Now I will have to copy the few important configuration files from the old installations so that we don't have to create them manually or populate those files manually. Those files are database.yml, automation settings.rb file, smtp settings.rb file, wicked pdf config.rb file, carrier wave settings.rb file. The talkbox file needs to be updated manually as it might contain changes in the hotfix. I'll edit it and update the stomp post to fully qualified domain name. The next step is to update the rpm-knob file, which is under the BRPM install home server JBoss standalone deployments folder. I'll update the hotfix application binary path. This completes the application binary manual upgrade process. Now for the database schema upgrade, you will have to source the setenv file from the BRPM install home /bin folder. Then I will go to the BRPM config folder under releases/version/rpm and then run the rake task to upgrade the database schema. What this does is to connect to the database from the updated application binaries, and if needed, then it will process any upgrade to the DB schema for this particular hotfix. Looks like in this hotfix there are no DB schema updates, but it won't hurt to run this DB upgrade command. This completes the manual upgrade process. Depending on the BRPM hotfix, there might be some additional tasks needed to be performed. Always refer the readme text file that comes with the hotfix, and if you need any additional clarification, feel free to contact BMC support. Now I will start the BRPM service and access the UI. That's it for now. Thank you very much for watching the video.